Right now, a federal judge is contemplating whether to hold the state of Texas in contempt of court yet again over ongoing problems in the Texas foster care system.
Now, following the latest courtroom showdown in a lawsuit that's lasted over 12 years, Judge Janice Jack could slap the state with a fine for not following some of her specific court-ordered reforms. KXAN's Avery listened in on days of testimony and has more on what's next.
Pictures show dirty, damaged, and disorganized rooms inside rentals in Temple, Killeen, and Belton, housing Texas foster children with some of the highest behavioral and medical needs. Pictures filed in a report ahead of a hearing in federal court revealing dozens of children spent nights in these kinds of unregulated placements this year. But the grim picture painted by witness after witness in that hearing, using only their memories, gripped a Texas courtroom for 3 days. Hopeless former caseworkers remembered nights working harrowing overtime shifts, watching kids at these kinds of placements. And an 18-year-old girl offered tearful testimony about inappropriate advances from an adult staffer and other poor treatment during her 7 years in the system.
Very dangerous problem areas that remain even after all these years.
Paul Yetter, one of the lead attorneys who originally filed the lawsuit on behalf of thousands of children in the state's care, told the judge they've seen little improvement from the Texas agencies tasked with finding homes and investigating reports of abuse or neglect. Leadership from the state agencies involved told the court that they've made improvements, lowering the number of children without placement, as well as prioritizing staffing issues that could potentially put pressure on the system. Now, the judge has held the state of Texas in contempt twice before during the course of this lawsuit, so all eyes are looking to her, waiting on any ruling. Avery Travis, KXAN News.
And KXAN did reach out to both Department of Family and Protective Services and the Health and Human Services Commission, and they pointed us to the private attorneys now representing the state. Those attorneys, however, have yet to respond to our requests.